To enable and use Smart Pop-up View floating notification on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap advanced setting. Tap floating notification and then select Smart Pop-up View. Next, tap included apps and then select the desired apps for this view option. As the example, we will select WhatsApp. To do so, tap the gray on off switch next to WhatsApp until the switch turns blue to select this app. To see how Smart Pop-up View works, when you receive a WhatsApp message, you will see a floating icon from the message sender. You can tap the icon to view the conversation in pop-up view. While you are in the pop-up view, you can view and respond to the message. You can also tap minimize icon to change back the conversation from pop-up view to floating icon. Or you can tap maximize icon to view the conversation in full screen view, or you can tap the close icon to close the pop-up view. Given to the function, you can use this kind of notification if you like to be able to quickly view and respond to notification without you have to leave the app you are currently using. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.